Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Eileen at Little Grace Nursery, and if you're new here, welcome. Hit like and subscribe and come back for all the fun and all the babies and the giveaways. So I had picked Summer Rain here. I just actually finished her this morning, and I had picked her for my next giveaway. I ran into some trouble as I was rooting her. The paint started to wear off her nose and her chin and her eyelids and her ears. And I had already had her practically all the way rooted, not really all the way rooted. So I was able to patch her up, reseal her. There are some areas that are still a little, I didn't get very well. It looked like when I was painting it, because I had to do several more layers in these areas, simply because you can't just throw paint on and, you know, expect it to take or to stay. You have to gradually do layer after layer after layer. So she turned out a little a little more rosy, let's say, than I had originally wanted. She has acrylic, they're blue eyes. I forget what it's called. It's the polymer shatterproof eyes by Bountiful Baby, and I think it was called Blue Sky. Not sky blue, but blue sky, I believe. So I gave her blonde hair. What I wound up doing was I retouched her up, rerooted her, and you have to bake her between every layer. So I was worried about her hair, so I just wet her hair real good, and I put conditioner in every time I baked the head, and it actually worked out. Her hair feels nice and soft. And I'm still debating on whether to sell her as a budget baby or to use this as my giveaway. So, if you are watching this video and you will be participating in the giveaway contest once I reach 750 subscribers, let me know if I should keep her as my giveaway or should I select another one. I, you know, can sell her as a budget baby and pick another one. I just was not exceedingly happy with the way she turned out, but she did turn out really cute. Again, this is Summer Rain by Bountiful Baby. She's a Reborn, and she is 4 pounds 10 ounces and 18 inches long, or just about 18 inches, with her little legs bent like this. So she does wear some preemie, some newborns, I'm sorry. Some preemie and some newborns. So she does have rooted mohair, which is blonde curly. She's got rooted eyelashes. She does have open nostrils, which are backed with felt. I just think it makes it look a little more realistic. She has gloss in the corner of her eyes and her lower eyelid, her lips, her nostrils, her ears, and her fingernails and her toenails, and they are tipped. And she is cute. I will say she is adorable. And her legs move freely. And her arms move freely. And her head is weighted, so you have to support it. And I am going to dress her and get her ready for her photo shoot. And I think this is a newborn. Yeah, this is a newborn size diaper. And we're going to go ahead and put that on. And see if this outfit fits her. It is a preemie size. But the outfits that I had that were newborn size just seemed all a little too big for her. This might be a little too snug. No, it looks like it might fit. Yeah, it fits. Alrighty, Rue. There you go, little no, maybe it's a little too big. No. Yeah, it's a little too big because it pulls down on the neckline. And you would definitely need to have, well, it's not too bad. But I thought it looked cute with the blonde hair, which I need to fix now because I've messed her hair all up. So this is Little Summer Rain. And I'm going to go ahead and do her photo shoot. And let me know what you think. If I should keep her as my giveaway or sell her as a budget baby. I don't know if I'm going to list her as a boo-boo if I do, or just that she's a budget baby and point out the little flaws. Because I think all dolls do it. They're not perfect, so you know they all each have a little something in their own way, but I was told that's what makes them unique. So I'm going to get her ready for her photo shoot, and I will put it at the end of this video. And let me know once again if I should use her as my giveaway or sell her as a budget baby. Again, don't forget to hit like and subscribe because, as I said, I'm not going to be giving her away until I reach 750 subscribers. So I appreciate each and every one of you. Excuse me. Hit like and subscribe. I'm going to sign off because I have a frog in my throat right now. I love you all. Bye. Also, one more thing. If you would like her as a boy or a girl, kind of state that too. I'm going to dress her as a boy as part of the photo shoot also, so you can see what she looks like both ways. See you later. Bye.